In today's video, I'll show you how to connect N8n with Telegram, a simple process that takes just a few minutes and opens up endless automation possibilities. Start by opening your browser and visiting the official N8n website. Log into your account or sign up if you're new. Once inside your N8n dashboard, bookmark it for easy access. You will likely return here often as you build automations. Now grab your mobile device and open the Telegram app. In the search bar type @botfather. This is Telegram's official tool for creating and managing bots. Start a chat with Botfather and type the command to create a new bot. Follow the prompts to give it a name and a username that ends with bot. Once your bot is created, Botfather will send you an API token, a unique key that lets N8n communicate with your Telegram bot. Copy this token and keep it safe. Next, return to your N8n dashboard on your computer. Open Settings, then go to Credentials. Click Add Credential and search for Telegram. When the Telegram integration appears, select it. You will see a form asking for your Telegram API token. Paste the token you got from Botfather into that field and save your changes. And that's it. You've now successfully connected N8n with Telegram. You can start building automated workflows that send messages, alert, or updates directly through your Telegram bot. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick automation tutorials. Happy automating!